Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is very healthy dish. This is roasted Brussels sprouts in air fryer. So let's get started and check out some information about it. This is very high in fiber and vitamins and of course low carb recipe. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight into the video. But before that, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the future recipe upload. So I have my Brussels sprouts already washed because there might be some dirt or some sand where they grow. So I'm just trying to show you how to cut the Brussels sprouts. So I'm just going to chop it, just the head off. And if you see any dirty leaves, you can just try to remove it, then chop it like that. And since this is a bite size, I can just keep it as is. If you have any loose leaves, just try to not use them. So here are my Brussels sprouts already chopped. I'll show you a couple more, just a tiny bit of the top, and then whatever comes loose, just keep it out and then make a slight cut. So if you have big Brussels sprouts just like this, I would prefer it is bite size, so I'm going to chop it into 4 pieces instead of halves. So as you can see here, it is a little dirty, so I'm just going to remove it and then chop it into half and then cut it just like this. Whatever comes loose, just remove it, and then I have these 4 pieces. Perfect. So let me finish it off and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, so I dabbed with paper towel and pat them dry. So now you can see that they are nicely laid out. So let's add our olive oil, just a couple tablespoons. You can palm spray that as well. Okay. Basic seasoning, our salt goes in, just 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper. Now if you have garlic powder, you can use garlic powder. Just sprinkle it on top. If you do not have garlic powder, you can chop freshly cut garlic cloves and then use them. And also using some onion powder, about 1 to 2 teaspoons, just sprinkle. And this is completely optional, but I like to use the grill seasoning because it gives a nice flavor, mix of flavors, all seasoning. And since I like spicy, I'm going to add some red chili flakes, just 1/2 teaspoon. And I will also add a little bit of soy sauce just to get that nice Asian flavor to the dish. This is again optional, but you can try using that if you have it home. So just sprinkle around, and now we will give that a good mix. We basically use our hands here just to get it nicely mixed. We can also blanch them before do this seasoning step, but this time I'm using air fryer and I will crisp it up. So I'm blanching the Brussels sprouts today. So there are many different ways to do Brussels sprouts, and this is the quickest and easiest way. So as you can see, they are all nicely covered with the spices that we added. So let's keep it for about 5 to 10 minutes let it soak all these ingredients that we mixed right now. Alright, so while my Brussels sprouts are kind of marinating, let's preheat air fryer. So I did on the vegetables, and it is starting on a 400 Fahrenheit. So let's preheat. Alright, so my air fryer is preheated now. So let's add our Brussels sprouts. I tend to keep these baking paper or the foil wrap here just to keep it clean. And let's start adding our Brussels sprouts in it. So we will basically have to layer it out. I'm facing the plain surface down. It's going to take a little while, but we will make it in 2 batches if need to be, but we cannot keep it crowded. Just layer it nicely so that it will roast it nicely. So let's start with this much and then start for about 20 minutes. See you in a little while. Alright, so we are at the midpoint and it's telling me to shake it out. So just shake it and flip the side and keep it. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly check because I smell that it's roasted. There were 3 minutes left, and I think this is the texture I was looking for, so I don't want to burn them. So it was around 17 minutes of air frying this. So let me dish it out and we will add some honey on it, and that will be the dish to serve. And look at this, guys. So I'm going to just add some drizzle of honey to it just to get nice sweet and spicy flavor. And look at this, how beautiful this looks. Nice and crunchy, air fried, sweet and spicy Brussels sprouts. There you go. I hope you like this recipe and going to give it a try. This is a healthy version because we have used very less oil. So I hope you like this recipe and give it a try. Let me know how do you like it, and of course thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We are almost close to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.